Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We're out in the warehouse and we are going to talk about an A&A or Pentair, as they've been recently purchased, low pro gear kit. So unlike the rest of the low pro gear kits that you have, this one 230147 is for a 2-port system. So this is a gear kit that goes in the A&A valve that just has 2 ports coming out of the bottom of it. If you put this in a 6-port, it's not going to act right. It's definitely a bad idea. So you can tell by the pink or salmon colored cam that this comes with that this is a 2-port. They made different colors to make it easily differentiable. And other than that, it's just standard gear kit. You got the low pro impeller, the gear kit, all your washers and fittings here. Just that cam is what makes this the 2-port, 2-inch gear kit. So that's 230147. Check it out. We got a bunch of them at ePoolSupply.com. We'll get this shipped out to you fast. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.